So to get to the clutch slave, remove the 5 bolts, but be aware that they are different lengths to make sure you keep them in their correct places.
And that one's bigger.
The far left bolt you can see here is larger, that's a 14mm, the other's a 13.
Should really be saying it in the old school way, but obviously Dave doesn't understand that, so we're using metric. Oh, there we go. Be mindful we've got the gasket on the back as well. That should stay there.
That would explain why I had that bit of trouble getting it into here, didn't it?
That's why the gasket's there, because you've got oil coming up. And then that's it. Then you've got the slave cylinder here, which we need to try and get out. There we go. One slave cylinder out. Mindful of that pipe. There we go.
Edit out Nathan's obscenity.
So we need a new rubber sleeve around the clutch slave cylinder, which is currently being fitted on a 1500. The part is unobtainable. It's 144367. We've had these remade in a rubber, and hopefully we'll fit this now and show you that it all works perfectly and holds the slave solid.
Okay, let's go for it.
On the side.
So the lip needs to be this side of the slave. So if I can get in there without being decapitated by a gear stick. So it fits like that. Be mindful of this pipe. And it should.
Right, there we go. Fully fitted with a new rubber. You can see the kind of little crack there where it fits. And now the slave is solid and not moving around. Perfect.
There we go. And then the plate will go on the back. Yeah, and that'll lovely compress up. That'll compress lovely when it's in.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Right, that's bottom left.
I can't remember which side which.
This one's bottom right.
I'll just put this one. I think that one goes in there. Nope.
Is that the bigger one?
That must be.
Left.
Be that one. And that one will go there. No, that one will go here. And that one goes in there. And then that one. That's it. Right. I think we'll do these up gently to help it compress in. These could go in a bit more by hand. Hopefully as this goes in it will compress that, make it even more solid. Let's do them up bit by bit on each one. And then hopefully loose. Right. It's compressing because this one's now loose. If I go that way, am I in your way, Dave?
No, you're all good.
So obviously it's worth noting when you tie them back up, as you can see I'm doing bit by bit. Don't compress it all down on one hit. Okay, they're tight, and then I'll just do this one up. Long bugger, that one. It's not the right size really, but
One thing I forgot to ask you is, when is the motor festa? Oh, sorry, you recorded.
June at some point.
it needs to be the proper size for this one.